work smarter with high-performance laminated wood floors from Pergo. They're Pergo strong, so they're wear, fade, and stain-proof, and protect against scuffs and scratches for extreme durability. Plus, they're easy to install with a patented click-lock system and attached pad. So whether you're a pro or a DIYer, it's easy to transform a room in just a weekend. They're waterproof, watertight, and worry-free, with the Wet Protect Lifetime waterproof surface and subfloor warranty. It's the right kind of waterproof, guaranteed. Pergo Pro floors feature real wood looks in a variety of styles and colors, so you can find the floor that best fits your design style. With a total 10mm thickness, 8mm planks, plus a 2mm attached pad, these floors provide the perfect backdrop for any room. Beautiful wood looks, easy DIY install, and bold waterproof performance make Pergo Pro ideal for people who really live on their floors. Pergo Pro. Waterproof, high-performance, laminated wood floors. Available exclusively at Lowe's.